eToro Academy educational investing app pricing explained what you get for your money. eToro Academy is an educational app designed to teach investing concepts, strategies, and portfolio management. Many people assume educational investing apps are costly, but eToro Academy is surprisingly accessible. The app is free to download and includes a variety of lessons, webinars, tutorials, and practice portfolios. There are no subscription fees for core content, making it ideal for beginners looking to learn without financial risk. Premium content, such as personalized mentoring or specialized courses, may carry a fee, typically ranging from $2 per course. Most people get this wrong by thinking educational apps only offer theory. The surprising truth is eToro Academy includes interactive features like simulated trading, quizzes, and real-time market examples, helping users apply knowledge immediately. For example, you could test strategies on a virtual portfolio before committing real money. The app also offers progress tracking, badges, and a community forum for peer support, creating a comprehensive learning experience that goes beyond textbooks. In conclusion, eToro Academy provides a free and affordable path to learn investing fundamentals. Its combination of interactive learning, practice tools, and optional premium courses makes it a valuable resource for anyone looking to build confidence and knowledge in the financial markets.